Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Your boy Mochi's here and Sheila with another mukbang. Today we have Panda Express, you guys.
Yes.
We have not done a Panda Express.
Well, he'll show you his. And
No, go ahead.
okay, mine's is just rice, and I have Kung Pao chicken.
Yeah.
And a chicken egg roll. We got the family meal, and he'll show his. And tell them.
I got chow mein, orange chicken, and beef and broccoli, and an egg roll.
Chicken egg roll.
Chicken egg roll.
So yeah, Panda is one of my favorite places. I'm gonna put some sriracha on my egg roll.
I haven't had Panda Express in a while.
So good. I have my own sriracha. These cheap mofos didn't give us any. You want some?
Mm-mm.
Some salt. Just don't come out. Anyways, Panda is my favorite. Like I said, it has no MSG. It's really good. So, how's everyone doing? I know it's Thursday. So, how was everyone's week?
Sorry guys, I didn't give you guys the first bite.
Yeah, here you go. This is gonna be spicy.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Move that stuff. Let me see your plate.
It's really good. The rice, I don't know. Let me see. He's sitting on a smaller seat. Again. They only gave us one. How cheap is this? They only gave us one sweet and sour when we ordered a family meal. And they only put it that much in there.
They didn't even give us no
No soy sauces,
sauce.
no nothing. I should have asked. I don't know why. I was just like in a hurry. But I was like, we have our own, but he doesn't like the Trader Joe's soy sauce. Look at that. It has sriracha on it. I'm going to dip it in sweet and sour.
Pretty good.
I haven't had Chinese in a minute, you guys, so this is really delicious.
I don't know about
Chicken.
egg roll.
It's chicken. I'll eat it. He complained before when it was the spring roll.
No, I like the.
It was a spring roll. It didn't have it, but he didn't like it last time either. He's like, this just has veggies in it. I was like, it's a spring roll, and he didn't like it. And then this one he don't like either.
I like the orange chicken. What do you guys like from Panda Express?
What's your favorite?
What's your favorite there?
I got my usual Powerade.
Where I said 40 minutes.
Or what's your favorite Chinese spot? Because a lot of you guys don't like Panda. Because you're like, oh, it's Americanized. But the thing is, I like that it has no MSG. I don't like that aftertaste in my mouth. I'm not trying to be mean, but there's some places that you don't know what kind of meat it is, you know? Because we have that kind of places in Oakland like that.
I hope I haven't went to a place to eat like that.
Let's not talk about it, I guess. 'Cause so delicious, guys. I really don't care for Chinese food, but if I don't eat it in a long, long time, I'm definitely gonna grub and love it.
Their steamed broccoli's pretty good.
I think it's been like a few months since I had Chinese. You have.
I have Chinese food a lot.
He has it a lot at work for lunch because there's one right by where he works. I'm actually going to put some sriracha on my chicken. It's already spicy, but let's spice it up a little more.
Isn't that the orange chicken's a little spicy?
You don't want to try these. It has, look guys,
I already know.
these have peppers inside of it.
Damn.
See that? The whole peppers? I'm gonna eat it. Plus sriracha. Mm. Very, very spicy. Ooh, that pepper's spicy. And
You know it would be.
I didn't know it would be that spicy. Kind of reminded me of the spicy noodle challenge.
Mm.
Eat some rice, make it go down.
That spicy?
Mm-hmm.
Mm. That orange chicken's spicy. I think it might have had something mixed with it. Ah. I know those peppers are really hot. Give them another bite.
Extremely hot.
Egg rolls. Should have kept it longer. It's fine. I love steamed broccoli. Sorry guys if we're munching. What? I'm hungry.
What does everyone have in store for Father's Day? I think it's on Sunday. We're probably gonna barbecue. I know it's hard for some of us because we lost our fathers. I lost my father. So I'm still gonna celebrate it and put some food outside in his honor in my Native American way. We do that. We put like plates out when it's their birthday or anything like that. And let me know what you guys are planning on doing for Father's Day.
Yeah, be good to know.
I want to know, guys. After we're done, might not finish all of it. I want to open one of these and read it, our fortunes.
So do we have a question?
The question we already asked what their favorite
Just one question? Okay.
and what they're gonna do.
Oh yeah.
Chicken's so good.
I love chow mein.
I see.
I don't really care for the fried rice that much. And the fried rice. And but I like I definitely can't eat. I definitely cannot eat what she has. It's the chicken. What is this called again? How come your phone just rang and my phone
I
didn't?
don't know. Somebody's outside in our driveway. Sorry about that, guys.
1 second, you guys. It's Rob B. Hello?
We got you on the mukbang.
What's up, bro? I'm making a video right now. Oh yeah, I'm eating right now. I'm doing the video. Alright, well, thank you for the invite. Bye. That was chilling and grilling with Rob D.
Yes, chilling and grilling.
He's always inviting me to go to barbecue or
Today or tomorrow?
today. He asked if I wanted to come over for a while.
You could. Oh, because you have to work early.
No, so I know what your plans are.
Oh yeah.
No.
So Panda's really expensive, guys.
I don't work early tomorrow. I work in the evening, but
Oh, well, I don't know. I really don't know what time. Anyways, you guys, Panda's extremely expensive. I think the family meal was $40 with the egg rolls. It was like $40 for a family meal.
Damn.
Was it worth it? Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Because there's still a lot of food left.
I'm not gonna finish this, but I want to open this real quick. Can you open it? I want to read it real quick. Real quick.
Quack.
I want to read it real quick in front of you guys. Just one. I know I don't want to hold you guys up too long. Just wanted to show you guys. It says, "Follow your heart; it will never be wrong." I always follow my heart. My boo boo.
This one's open already?
My love.
Oh.
Yeah. I got a burp, guys.
Jeez.
Sorry. Whew.
Follow your heart. It'll. What the heck?
The same one? Oh,
No,
I
I'm
guess.
joking.
You're making me little.
Soon, you will have the shits because of the food. Soon, you will receive pleasure.
Soon you will receive pleasant news. Ooh. Okay, we'll see.
I'm pregnant.
Yeah, we're having twins. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for joining us for dinner. And
yes, that was our review on Panda Express.
yeah, I didn't get to finish it all. But
Not really a review, just a mukbang. A lot of people know already about
everyone
Panda
eats
Express.
Panda. But
So.
yeah, we just want to thank you guys again for joining us for dinner, and we hope you guys have a very blessed weekend.
Yes, and we love you guys so much.
Don't forget to subscribe, the people
And
that
don't forget to smash that like button, you guys.
Yes, guys.
We love you guys so much. We'll see you guys. Peace.
Bye.